Hello, I'm Swarna Vats. I'm the IT security specialist here at FLYdocs, and I've been working with the company for almost 4 years now. So today is the day I'm going to take you through one day in my life as a woman in tech, and I'll show you what all I get to do during the whole day, balancing the work and the life, because the best part of working here at FLYdocs is that we are a remotely working company and most of the employees we work from home. So it gives me a lot of opportunity to save up on the extra commute time, which eventually helps me balance the work and life even better, especially with a 2-year-old at hand. You know how bad it is, yeah? So let's start the day. So usually when I log in the morning, what I do is I first open my emails and check all the mails that I've received. And after looking at all the emails, what I usually do is I create my own to-do list where I mention what are the tasks, what are the priorities that I have for the day. And then I just keep ticking them one after the other as soon as I'm done with the tasks. Yeah? And because I work remotely, I'd say half of my day usually goes on the meetings, because for every interaction that I have to make with my team or any other team, I have to do it via a call, right? Let's start with checking all the emails and responding to them. Now I have responded to all my emails and I have created my to-do list for the day. Now I just have to jump on a call, and it's a technical call where we are going to discuss the requirements for the current ongoing project and how we are going to deal with tackle the situation. Like, for example, we have a few difficulties, a few challenges in the project, so we're going to discuss that in the team, and then we will do the other tasks in the to-do list. So here is my little helper who keeps peeping in once in a while to check on me, and I think she tries to help me wherever she can, and it actually works, to be very frank. So I'm done with most of my morning now. A few meetings, a few emails, other tasks, and now the next item in my calendar is to give the IT security training, which is due for today. So in my job role, I'm responsible for delivering the IT security training and ensuring the whole IT security training programs is run smoothly within the company. So today is one of the trainings that I have to take, and it is usually an hour long. So I'm definitely going to need a cup of coffee before I do that. So would you like to join me to make the coffee? Alright, so I'm back with my coffee. Now I just have to start the training. Okay, so now we have finally reached the last meeting for the day, that is the risk meeting with my colleague. So I'm just going to jump on that meeting and then it should be done for the day. Thanks for watching. Now I'm logging off for the day. You have a nice day ahead. Bye-bye.